Hello everyone, today I am going to guide you how to fix GTA 5 Grand RP installation path not detected. The first thing that you should do is to make sure that you have the game itself. This is the app called Grand Theft Auto Roleplay. If you already have it, look for the files of GTA and relocate them in C. To do this, just open your File Explorer and look for that specific file. Third, use Run as Administrator method in your game. To do this, just right-click on the app itself and you'll see the option Run as Administrator. Fourth, verify the game files in your Steam or any game sites you play. Fifth, it is also important to take note that you should be avoiding using the unsupported files of GTA RP to avoid corruption. These are just few of the things that you should remember. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.